And right now we do have some mild air that is in place as we head into the weekend, though. Some big changes certainly coming as we have a taste of some wintry weather. And in the upper levels of the atmosphere, we're going to have this cold air just diving south. And that is going to lead to the potential for some wintry precipitation, but also bring in then the coldest air of the season that will follow it. So we'll have some rain and some snow mixing in heading into Saturday, with then temperatures are really dropping down well below normal as we go into the upcoming weekend, and we're going to be watching closely the trends with this chance for snow. But right now we do have temperatures sitting mostly above freezing this morning, and we are going to have a chilly start to the day as there's been some clear skies through the night, but we have now clouds that are building in and the winds picking up out of the south. So that's going to drive temperatures up a bit and preventing us from falling too far now that the sun is up. It's 33 though in Dubuque, 31 Waterloo, 32 New Hampton, and it's 37 in Cedar Rapids, 36 Iowa City. As we have some clouds that are already starting to move in, we're going to be seeing a bit more of it heading into the afternoon. We'll have some sunshine here to start the day. Temperatures still manage to climb into the 50s, so close to 60 degrees by the afternoon, but it will feel a little different than yesterday as the clouds are in overhead and the breeze continues as we go through the day and into tonight. Winds will be gusting 20-25 miles per hour, maybe close to 30 at times as we head into tonight. And that south wind is going to keep the temperatures elevated today despite the cloud cover. But then a cold front comes in tonight and brings in the chance for some spotty showers, some light rain. Winds turn in out of the northwest on Friday. We are back in the sunshine, but we are still going to have some warm air in place. The cold air won't be arriving just yet, but we'll have another front that comes through tomorrow that does draw down that colder air for the weekend. Will be chilly on Saturday with clouds in overhead, and I think for at least early tailgaters we'll have some dry time before the Hawkeye game, but unfortunately it seems that we're going to have quite a bit of rain that moves in, and it's going to be in the 40s and chilly and raining during that time. And as colder air moves in above our heads, we will have then the chance for a transition to happen to some ice and some slushy snow, and we could see a full transition to some snow showers. But the question kind of is how everything lines up here, and if temperatures at the ground level actually cool down enough for the snow to fall and accumulate. But it seems that if that were to happen, it would be very minor and it would be in mostly grassy or elevated areas. But we're looking at snow mixing in with the rain late. It seems like that is becoming more and more of a likelihood here. We're going to watch the temperatures closely, as I mentioned, and minor, if any, accumulation. So if you are heading out to Kinnick, we are going to have the cloudy and cool conditions, rain moving in for the tailgating time, and then we'll be in the 40s. It'll be rainy, not very comfortable, and toward the end of the game or after the game, we could start to see some of that snow move in late. We'll have temperatures dropping into the 20s Saturday night. We'll only be in the 30s for highs Sunday, Monday, teens and 20s for lows, but then thankfully we do rebound back into the 50s Tuesday and Wednesday.